If you or someone you know are looking to use your VA loan for the second time or more, then you are going to encounter the VA funding fee. And we're going to break that down for you starting right now. Hello and welcome to this edition of Mortgage Talk Live. My name is Rod Ferrier and I am a licensed loan originator as well as a U.S. Navy veteran. If you are looking to use your VA loan for the second time or more, your funding fee will be 3.6% of the loan amount. So for example, on a $400,000 mortgage, that equals $14,400, meaning the total amount that you will finance, including the funding fee, will be $414,400. So if you or someone you know are looking to use your VA loan and have questions, want more information, simply visit me at rodferrier.com.